Oh my god.
Wow,
I'm gonna have more than one.
this is really good. How did you finish that so fast?
You inhaled that.
I've been waiting for this for so long.
So I am at the Moose Candy Shop in Chisan. I'm here with Justin and Leah over there, and they are making a video here today. I'm tagging along. All right, let's check it out right now. It starts off with a wrap that's infused with bamboo charcoal, and then they add peanut brittle and your choice of ice cream and toppings. I had something similar to this in Elam, but this is turbia. This is special.
I've been waiting because I've seen this on Instagram, and we drove an hour this morning just to get this.
This must be very special that you wanted to come here. Cool?
But there's more to this. There's a second part. This is part 1 and part 2.
I need to eat.
Yeah, let's eat.
It's gonna melt. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, the crunchiness. Oh my god, the freeze-dried, those strawberries.
There's some. That is not just peanuts. That is like a peanut brittle.
The taume. Oh, it's a good.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna have more than one.
This is really good. Yeah, I feel like should we just close up there? Wow. I give this a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
10. Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10.
Who thought of this? Who thought of taking these little Taiwanese tortillas?
Oh, it's amazing.
Let's throw some ice cream on. You know what? I've got some peanut brittle out back. I'm gonna put this peanut brittle on it, and then we'll roll it up.
You too.
The wrap is very diverse. Like you could do a lot with it. Yeah, this is really good. How did you finish that so fast?
You inhaled that.
I've been waiting for this for so long. You gonna finish that?
Yeah.
Okay, well you slowed down. I didn't know if you were gonna finish it. So there's another reason why we're here, and that's because they also do bearded candy. But we're gonna show you a different way to approach bearded candy. Apparently, it doesn't need to be the madness that we saw in Yongkang. I guess not. So.
Oh, here, I think, wait, you want to get, there's some more thing they want to show us. So he's gonna make something else here.
So this is what my man in Yongkang was doing, but he had a mess. And I think the man in Yongkang that made the bearded candy was as much a performance artist as he was a candy maker. Because the way he's crafting this is so much cleaner and with less mess.
I feel so lucky to be able to watch this process from the beginning to the end, how they make a simple piece of candy and they turn it into a work of art. I hope this traditional candy making technique gets passed on from generation to generation so people will always be able to enjoy these unique experiences.
Look at that. See? Wow. I love it.
Oh, that's like almost like an old lady, like a Laoren Tofa. Oh, wow. You think you've tried everything in Taiwan, and then you come somewhere like this, and you're like, nope, not everything yet.
Grapes. 葡萄.
Oh, okay, cool.
Grapes, yeah.
Yeah, 葡萄. So you could do, yeah, pu tao or tao mei or lam mei or different seasons.